My name is Tom Shriwise, and I am currently on the docket to extend my board certification this year with the Kansas City Orthopedic Alliance. I have a holistic approach to care and have been fortunate to treat almost every injury imaginable, but love to focus more on knees and shoulders. I have more than 30 years of experience in orthopedics and sports medicine. I graduated from Benedictine College and earned my medical degree at the University of Kansas Medical School, along with a rotating medical internship at the University of Kansas in Wichita. I completed my orthopedic residency at UMKC and my fellowship at the University of Toronto. In my spare time, I like to exercise, read, play recreational sports, travel, and hike with my beautiful wife, Selena. We have 3 children, 2 live in Kansas City and 1 in New York City, which is a very fun visit for us. We love to spend time together, from things like simple yard work to traveling to Canada visiting my wife's family. I'm a supporter of Harvesters, City Union Mission, Catholic Charities, Habitat for Humanity, and Community Service League. As I practice, my patients age with me. For people with arthritic knees, I can offer a good opinion whether you are a better candidate for a total knee or a partial knee replacement when it comes time. About 1 in 3 patients who are ready for knee replacement are candidates for a partial knee. When it comes to rotator cuff issues, I'm happy to take care of acute, chronic, or massive cuff tears. I am lucky to have a wide array of experiences which allow me to take care of multiple problems, so you do not need a different surgeon for every joint. I strive to be approachable and easygoing for my patients and colleagues. At Kansas City Orthopedic Alliance, there is a great array of hardworking people with common goals treating a broad expanse of orthopedic care. We are all here to help people who need medical advice or surgery when it's deemed appropriate. Reach out to us today to learn more about the practice. You can find me at the Kansas City Orthopedic Alliance office in Leawood, as well as in the St. Luke's Medical Plaza.